Hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Tran Phuoc Pagoda. Ayan. Ito ay isa, I think this is around, if I'm not mistaken, 1,500 years old na daw ito. And this is perhaps one of the oldest here. And it's like a tribute parang kay Buddha. So, it's supposed to be a serene place where you pay homage to Buddha here in Vietnam. And lalo na dito sa Hanoi. It's sobrang intricate ng details niya and so beautiful. Good morning. It is 6:48 in the morning today. We're still in Hanoi. And we woke up very early kasi meron tayong tour ngayon, which I am very excited about. Pupunta tayo dun sa hat making and dun sa incense na yung parang mga flowers siya pero incense pala. So we're going there today. We booked this attraction in Cluck, and this is, I think, a 4-hour activity kasi mag-out of town siya, may day trip out of town. So, yan tayo mawala. May day trip siya out of town for the entire activity. So, yun ang gagawin natin today. Our meeting time is just close by dito sa may Hangda Market. So, gagawin ko is I'll try to get some money first. Mag-withdraw muna tayo and then we'll have a breakfast kasi sabi nung message kahapon, which by the way, they do get in touch with you the day before so that you know na hindi ka naman na-scam. So, that there's no food provided, kaya kailangan kumain ng heavy breakfast at saka walang lunch na provided. So, those are very helpful. Since market naman yung pupuntahan, so we can actually get some food. Para kung mag-banh mi and coffee for breakfast, para medyo heavy. And then, para hindi naman tayo mukhang gutom sa mga pictures natin or sa mga video natin. So, yun. And then, ano pa ba? Aside from that, ano pa naman 6:50 pa lang, 7:50 yung call time. So, we need to be there at least mga 5-10 minutes before para sigurado. And then, check. Ayan. Para sigurado. And then, hang out na lang tayo doon. The earlier we can get there, the better, diba? So, ngayon, agenda is to get some money. We're using VP Bank again, yung ginamit natin the other day. Pero I'm not sure kung nadamihan ko pa kasi we only have 2 days here left. So, since libre naman yung withdrawal niya, I don't plan on getting a lot of money na hindi ko naman siya masyadong kailangan. And then, kain, and then go to the market na. Gawin muna natin yung ating mga task, and then I'll see you pag kumakain na tayo. Okay? Yay! Okay. So, pwede ang $500,000 lang. I love you, VP Bank. I love you, VP Bank. Libre ka pa. O, diba? Why not? Okay. So, pag nandito, alam niyo na kung saan kayo mag-withdraw. VP Bank. Hindi ko pa na-try yung TP kaya hindi ko siya ma-recommend. So, VP, ikaw na. So actually, malapit doon sa tinitirhan ko ay itong train tracks. As in, wala pa tong 2-3 minutes na walk. So, dito siguro dumadaan yung train. So, one of these days. Pagka mamayang hapon, daan tayo. Okay? Ayan siya. Lapit lang nito, super lapit lang. Come on. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, you too. Okay, we got our coffee and our food. Ito siya sa Banh Mi Station. So, maganda naman yung review. Let's hope na masarap yung pagkain. So, it's 7:17. Kakain na muna tayo. Ang sarap. Look. Diba? So, relax lang tayong kumain. Ito yung harapan ng market na next na dito tayo pupunta. So far we're ready and we're just gonna have our breakfast. Okay, nandito na tayo sa bus or coaster for our tour. We're just waiting for one more and then we are on our way. I think the trip will be like a little bit over no, dapat less than an hour yun. And then we'll do the activity. The total is like 4 hours.
With the bamboo, she need to wait for it to be crunchy and dry and yellow. After that, they will split it out. So step 1 would be prepping and splitting. But the section where they split it, we can't go in because it's too dusty. Oh, so firstly, this look right here. So this is what the stick looks like when it got split out. And you see, right now it's very rough. It has texture, it has splinter, so it shall not feel wood in the hand. That's why they rub it. They rub it together for 8 hours. It will come out very smooth. You can feel the difference.
Ah, okay. So masalubsob pa yun. Ito,
The first step of what
wala nang salubsob to.
Makinis na siya.
Opo. Okay, sa bagay. Ganun pala yun. Ayun yung...
you see, this part of the machine, this is hair dryer. Same work, it's blown directly to the stick. Whatever stick that comes out, it would be illuminated right here. This is the weaker one, the hollow one, the split edge one. We only keep the strongest one. So for one reason, in Vietnam, it's a very bad oven. If the incense stick doesn't burn halfway through, if it's like halfway, it means that evil come and interfere with the ritual. So we don't
okay.
want that. The family definitely don't want that. So they need to eliminate
Tinatapon
that
nila
authority.
pag hindi magandang
Although
quality.
by doing this, they take things quite a lot. So for 10 tons of the green bamboo that they brought, only 6 tons of these sticks made it.
So ito yung nagkikinis sa kanya. Kaya merong ano dun. So nirarab-rab lang siya together. Yun yung pag-ano nila, pagkukulay nila. Ayan o. Ayan.
So this step will be
Sorry.
done early in the morning, more on sunny day because sunny mean money.
Yeah.
They still depend on weather for drying the stick. We usually only have red or pink stick to use because those are the
Lucky
color.
colors.
Later you see green, yellows, but it's for decoration. Set. They put all the powders here, which will spin. They spin by hand right now automatically, but usually by hand. Push all the powder here, and they only need to take the stick, slice it in. It comes out half and the other side.
Oh.
About the cultures of burning incense though. So in Vietnam we believe that trees that naturally have a good smell is a blessing. It can chase away evil spirit. So we added cinnamon, star anise, lotus powder, depends on the batch with those. That powder alone is firstly expensive. Secondly, it's quite dry and will fall apart. I think you worked with cinnamon before, you know, right? So than that, have your free time, zoom your phone in a 3x lens. Everything
So I
will look
just-
nice. The
just
other
like-
way, red colors in.
Red color in. Okay.
Or you can pay Hunter or Francesca. And I'm sure you get a good picture out of them. Those are the options. Oh, but it's need to go like this.
Oh, okay.
One moment. I think it's wrong. Okay, you can retry.
3. Then try 2 more. Red stick in.
Someone needs to pray very hard.
Oh, me?
Yeah?
It's stuck again. How do I do? I just put another one?
One moment. No, do what's like a hand here so it's got push.
Oh, it's not good again.
Yeah.
I need to pray harder.
So right now she would walk us from A to Z, how a hat comes together. Bye ba? Bà la cho con. La cho con đi được làm cái khác. Difficult compared to, for example, ironing clothes. Because firstly, this can break, this can scorch or burn. You need to go for the correct size of the leaf for it to be straight, flat, no wrinkles allowed. You can see all the hat, no wrinkles allowed. It can fold, but no wrinkles. This level is the sizing of the hat. A standard hat should have 16 size limited as the typical and traditional sizing.
For the intro, we're actually going to paint our stuff now. Alin kaya magkakasya kay Microp dito? Ito na lang si... So, tapos na po yung aming hat making at may kasama siyang free labor. Hindi po matagumpay yung ginawa ko. Parang nakakahiya siyang iuwi. Baka murahin nila ako. Okay, nagkamali po ako kasi yung ginagawa ko talaga is yung may star sana. Oo. Naging gumamela po. Naging gumamela siya. Siguro dapat inuna ko yung yellow bago yung red. Pero nagkakamali tayong lahat. Pwede naman tayong bumalik next week para ayusin to. Kasi dapat yung pagpinta ang tinuro sa amin, hindi yung paggawa. Kasi ang usapan gagawa ng sombrero yung pagpinta pala paggagawa sa amin, tapos ibebenta nila. Ganun po. Ganun yung nangyayari. Pero masaya naman. Okay naman po. Sana matuyo siya pala, by the way. Hindi ko alam kung matutuyo to, but I think the paint is water-based. And if ever you are in Hanoi, you should definitely try to get this activity. You can book it at Klook. Kasama siya nung yung Incense Village. I think I paid 1,400 for it, something. Okay, so after our tour, we need to eat. Hindi pa tayo nagla-lunch. So we're now here at Banh Mi 25. Supposed to be a good place to eat. We got our number already. So the way it works is that you go on the other side of the street. Tapos, so order ka and then you pay. And then they make your order. And then upo ka dito sa kabilang street. And then sabihin nila kung ready na yung order mo at pakakainin ka na nila. Ganun siya. So, I ordered the banh mi to go and then I have the platter para makaupo ako at makakain and ano ba yun? Watermelon. So, it's better to actually order food. So yun, pwede naman palang upo na dito sa loob at kumain. So yun ang gagawin natin. Guys, nandito na yung ating food. And then we have bread and this one. Mamuna natin. Tapos nag-order tayo ng banh mi na to go. So maglalakad-lakad tayo. So, mas maganda na meron tayong promising yung bread. Patay tayo dyan. Naka-white pa naman tayo. God.
I bought four of them, like $70 sneaker tickets, and they just didn't come and pass out my bag. They lost. They were so. I've actually never seen them. We were at the bar. There's like an alcohol bar. This man's that. It was so.
Ano ba? Very good siya. Wala akong masabi. If you go here, I think this is good, but it's better. Okay, kain muna tayo.